back again. I hadn't intended to go this far, but we're going to see if we can actually fix this. What I'm going to do is put this broken gear back on the shaft, then I'm going to bind it tightly with cotton and then coat that with super glue and see if we can actually seal it on there. It's not really what I'd call a permanent fix, but it just might get it working. So I've had to pull the shaft out of the other wheel, so I had to boil that one as well. Looking at this, I can see it is bent, so I'll try and straighten that up again. Then I'll reassemble the motor with this in place. I'm looking at that. I think that area there that's got the knurling on it is probably the one that goes through that, the cam, and then the bigger one is the one that needs to slide onto. I'm just looking, that's split as well, isn't it? But it's not completely split, and there's no way I can wrap anything around the outside of that because that is where the cam follower needs to run. Right, which way round does it go? I think it goes that way. I think that one goes that way. Right, that fits on there. That one is supposed to be free running. Once it's over the knurl bit, so I need to try and straighten that out again first, don't I? I'll do that. I'll slide it down, slide that one over and try and wrap it up with some cotton and super glue. Right, I've done my best to straighten the shaft, and I've pushed that gear into place so it is free running. And then this one goes down onto there, so it grips in one way and turns the other. Yeah. As I say, I'll wrap I'll wrap some cotton around that and then put super glue over it just to see if we can hold it in place. So it's got to go through there. Absolutely no idea if this will work, but we'll give it a try. So I've wrapped it round as tight as I can, lots of turns, and then I've poured super glue over it. It's pretty strong kite string that I'm using, and wrapping it around lots of times, pulling it tight, should be putting pressure on that broken split and helping to hold it together. We'll find out. Well, that's the cotton or kite string glued in place around it to hold it all in place. I think I've probably actually glued the ratchet bit in place as well, so it's not going to turn anyway. If you remember, that middle bit's supposed to slip round. Still, we'll put it back together now. Well, that bit seems okay. Let's see if we can get it back in. Remember to put that piece on. Okay, lever goes up and down. Goes on there. Tow hook, that bit goes at the back. Yep. Yes, going up and down. Right, we'll get those screws in place. Missed a bit, it's got to go in there. Just when I thought I got it back together. Well, that was a fuss getting that bit back in. Still, screws now. So what we can do about the broken wheel, just glue it, I suppose. I'll worry about gluing that in a minute. Just put it back in place for now. flywheel's working. I've just realised it's gone midnight and I'm banging on here. I don't expect my wife will be very happy. So I better leave this. Yeah. And finish it off tomorrow morning. It's 1:05 in the morning. I did finish tapping it together as quietly as I could. Looks like it works to me, so I'm going to run it up the kitchen. Ten past one. Suspect I'll be in trouble. But it works. I don't know if the mini camera will have caught anything. We'll find out. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.